Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go to a group room and either have your own little study session with other students, or you can request a tutoring time and we can do that here. So basically you start by clicking here on Study Groups and Tutoring with Mr. Smith. And then you'll see there's some groups in here. So you'll have the option, if one's already got people in it, you can go to a different one. If there's not enough groups, you can send me an email and I'll make another group. If you request a tutoring session, then you'll see a link for our tutoring session. It'll have your name on it, or whatever I can label it however you want. So let me go ahead and click on Study Group 1. Now there's a list of students that are in the group, and that's everybody. But if you go down to the bottom, you click on Collaborate, and that'll take you to this group room, and then notice it says Join Room. So click on that. And now this is just like the tutoring sessions that we've had, or that I've been holding for students. There's a tab that you can't see. You can see I've already set up the whiteboard in here, but when you first come in, that may not be the case. If you look, you can't see it in this video, but if you look in the bottom right hand corner, there's a purple tab. If you put your mouse on it, it says Open Collaborate Panel, and when you click on that, it gives you some options at the bottom. So the one on the left is for chat, and so notice you can't hardly see it. Let's see if I can go up. It's just right down here where you can chat. If you click on the next one over, it says Share Content, and that's where you can choose the blank whiteboard, which is what I've already done. And then if you go over into My Settings, you can go on there and you can check what the possible settings are. Most of the time, once you have the whiteboard, you just want to notice in the bottom there's a microphone, and if you want to talk, you'll need to turn that on. And there's a video button. If you want to put yourself on a video, you can do that. And then that's about it. If you have any questions, just send me an email, and I can, or you can call me at that number that I gave you, or text me at that number I gave you, and I can help if you have any problems. Thanks.